Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations on the latest beauty products. Today, we're diving into the world of nail care with a product that's been making waves in the beauty community. Introducing the Super Strong Nail Glue by NYK1, a game-changer in the realm of nail adhesives. If you've been searching for the best nail glue to use, look no further because this one's a winner. What sets this nail glue apart from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, it's super strong, perfect for securing nail tips, press-ons, acrylics, or fake nails with ease. And here's the kicker, it dries quickly. No more waiting around for ages, wondering if your nails will stay put. With NYK1 Nail Bond, you can trust that your manicure will last. But what really sets this nail glue apart is its built-in fine precision brush applicator. Say goodbye to messy applications. This brush ensures quick, effortless, and accurate placement every time. Whether you're a nail enthusiast experimenting with different styles, or someone who relies on press-ons for convenience, NYK1 Nail Bond is perfect for all your nail needs. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the performance, durability, and ease of use of this nail glue. From holding up through daily activities to its easy removal process, it's clear why this product has garnered such high praise. So, if you're ready to elevate your nail game and experience salon-quality results from the comfort of your own home, look no further than NYK1 Super Strong Nail Glue. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. Until next time, happy nail styling.